Hey, Bill Forrest with Forrest & Company at Palmer House. We're at 71 Chaumont where the construction continues. And as you can see, hey, we're getting closer. The base cabinets are in. The cabinets in the kitchen have been set. It is going to have this beautiful marble backsplash and this quartzite countertop. Cannot wait to see this finished. One of the great things about not only are the drawers soft close, but the cabinets are soft close as well. So none of that banging in the kitchen. So this is what all the racket is they're working on this bathroom. It's going to look gorgeous like the other one. One of the great things about this listing is not only is it a huge 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo flat, but it has a massive sunroom and it is quite elegant. Everything about this condo is designer grade and better than what you expect to see in Cross Creek.